Yo, what's up everyone? It's Marks here, but today's video is a little different. We're not talking tech specs or comparing cameras. Today is all about unlocking the full potential of that iPhone you're holding. We're about to dive deep, real deep, into 64 hidden iPhone tips and tricks that Apple doesn't just tell you about. Trust me, even if you think you're an iPhone Pro, you're going to find some gems in here that will change the way you use your phone. So buckle up, smash that like button if you're ready, and let's unlock the full power of your iPhone. Hey everyone, it's Marquez here. Today we're diving into 64 hidden iPhone tips and tricks you probably never knew about. Let's get started. Hold down the spacebar. Boom, hidden trackpad. Open the measure app, point and measure, that's it. Open notes, hit the camera, scan documents instantly. Chapter 4, custom ringtones for everyone. Go to contacts, edit, add ringtone, done. Chapter 5, back tap like a boss. Go to accessibility, touch back tap, shortcuts galore. Chapter 6, make your photos disappear. Select photos, hit share, hide like magic. Chapter 7, Siri the ultimate translator. Hey Siri, translate this. You're welcome. Chapter 8, unleash your inner emoji. Create a memoji. It's you in emoji form. Chapter 9, magnify anything. Go to accessibility magnifier. It's a superpower. Chapter 10, dark mode. Save battery. Look cool. Go to display. Toggle dark mode. Sleek. Chapter 11, the health app. Not just for steps. Track sleep, heart rate, more. It's powerful. Chapter 12, Control Center. Your way, customize it, add the controls you need. Chapter 13, Do Not Disturb, peace at last, schedule it, customize it, silence the noise. Chapter 14, Emergency contacts, be prepared, set them up in health, just in case. Chapter 15, record your screen like a pro, add it to Control Center, tap to record. Chapter 16, low power mode, battery life saver, enable in settings, squeeze out extra hours. Chapter 17, find my never lose your stuff again, track your devices, find them anywhere. Chapter 18, widgets, make your home screen yours, customize, resize, add, make it unique. Chapter 19, the Files app, your secret weapon, manage files, connect to cloud, so useful. Chapter 20, lock your apps down tight. Use Face ID or Touch ID for extra security. Chapter 21, Apple Pay, the future of payments. Set it up, tap to pay, it's that easy. Chapter 22, two-factor authentication, level up your security. Enable it now, protect your accounts. Chapter 23, shortcuts, automate everything, create custom actions, endless possibilities. Chapter 24, family sharing. Sharing is caring. Share apps, media, and more with your family. Chapter 25, Apple Watch and iPhone, the ultimate duo. Pair them up, unlock even more features. Chapter 26, Wi-Fi calling, clear calls everywhere. Enable it in settings, stay connected. Chapter 27, notes, collab like a boss. Share notes, work together seamlessly. Chapter 28, automatic updates. Stay up to date, turn them on, never miss an update. Chapter 29, reminders, never forget anything. Set reminders, get notified, stay organized. Chapter 30, Apple Music, your music everywhere. Stream millions of songs, discover new tunes. Chapter 31, podcasts. Your on-the-go entertainment, listen to your favorites, discover new shows. Chapter 32, location services, more than you think. Customize for each app, stay in control. Chapter 33, calendar, master your schedule. Add events, set reminders, stay on top. Chapter 34, reachability, one-handed use solved, enable in settings, reach everything easily. Chapter 35, compass, Your pocket navigator, find your way, never get lost again. Chapter 36. Voicemail, set it up right, customize greetings, manage messages. Chapter 37. Weather, stay ahead of the storm, get accurate forecasts, plan your day. Chapter 38. Night shift, sleep better, wake up refreshed, enable it at night, reduce blue light. Chapter 39. Stocks, track your investments, follow the market, stay informed. Chapter 40. Emergency SOS, be safe always, set it up now, call for help quickly. Chapter 41. Voice memos, capture every thought, record ideas, meetings, and more. Never forget. Chapter 42. Apple News, stay informed, get personalized news from trusted sources. Chapter 43. Translate, break down language barriers, translate text, conversations, communicate easily. Chapter 44. Guided access, focus mode activated. Limit your iPhone to one app, avoid distractions. Chapter 45. Home, control your smart home, connect your devices, control them all. Chapter 46. Reduce motion, make your iPhone smoother, turn it on for a more fluid experience. Chapter 47. Safari, browse like a boss. Customize settings, manage tabs, surf efficiently. Chapter 48. Email, manage it all, set up multiple accounts, stay organized. Chapter 49. Contacts, more than just numbers, add notes, birthdays, and more to your contacts. Chapter 50. Announce messages with Siri hands-free convenience. Enable it and Siri will read your messages. Chapter 51. Clock, alarms, timers, world clock. It's got it all. Use it to your advantage and stay on schedule. Get alerts for specific sounds. So useful. Perform scientific calculations. It's powerful. Add cards, passes, tickets, go paperless. Maps and navigate like a pro. Find places, get directions, explore the world. Attention aware, your iPhone knows when you're looking. Enable it for a more personalized experience. Books your mobile library. Read books, listen to audiobooks, get lost in stories. Background app refresh, keep your apps updated. Enable it for a seamless app experience. Activity, track your fitness journey. Monitor your activity, reach your goals. TV, stream your favorite shows. Access all your streaming services in one place. Tips, learn something new every day. Discover new features. Become an iPhone master. CarPlay, your iPhone in your car. Connect your iPhone for a safer driving experience. Music recognition. What's that song? Ask Siri to identify songs playing around you. Accessibility. Customize your iPhone for you. Explore the options and make it work for everyone. And there you have it. 64 hidden iPhone tips and tricks to completely change the way you use your phone. We covered everything from secret trackpads to customizing your entire experience. Now, I know that was a lot, so if you want to see any of these tips in more detail, let me know down in the comments below. And hey, if you have any hidden iPhone gems you want to share, drop them down there too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech deep dives just like this.